We just knew it was a time in our life to get back into a hot tub. We had one years ago and went online and searched some out, and we knew Caldera Spa was really great, so called up the guys at Country Leisure. Toby was great, Chris, and knew we had to get one. Install was great, right on the time frame on when it was supposed to come in. We got the concrete pad ourselves and they gave us somebody for electrical, and delivery was right on time, and guys set it up. They were in and out as far as getting all the chemicals in it, salt, everything, get it running correctly. And so, yeah, waited a couple days, got it all going, and been in every day since. They email us all the time on things to do and gave us the directions and all the chemicals. They put some of the original stuff in for us, showed us how to do that. It's got a sensor built into it, so it's got something that basically I can't screw up. It tells me what to do. We love it. We've been in it every day. So whether it's first thing in the morning or late at night, would highly recommend Country Leisure and a Caldera Spa, the Cantabria. Yeah, absolutely.